Welcome back. So, do you want to automate the workflow in your day-to-day activities? It might be right from sending emails to databases and everything here what I explain you is completely for free of cost. Yes, you'll be getting all these things for free of cost. Stay tuned till the end of the video. Get a very good knowledge where you can automate the things just on a button click. By the end, you will have your own automation engine ready to connect to anything right from Google Sheets to AI tools. And here's the tool we are going to use is n8n, and again n8n is a paid tool, right? How we can have it for free? Let's try to self-host the n8n on our own system. Try using it without paying anything. So here is the demo for you, and here you can see how the n8n workflow would be by the end of this video. So stay tuned till the end. So if you are into automation, AI, or just love saving time, hit subscribe and turn on the bell so you don't miss the next advanced n8n tricks. So here is the official n8n website where you can find the automated flows here, and even if you go to the pricing, it starts from 20 euros here and goes on. We thought it like to run freely on our local machine, right? Here I suggest you to go through the documentation here, and the first option here we got is self-host n8n. And again, you might be well familiar what is self-host, running the n8n on your local machine itself without even connecting to internet. How do we get the models? And here we have discussed it in detail. So this is the first video in the series where we have installed Ollama on our local machine. So this provides us the local models without the use of internet. The second thing here is Docker installation guide. Even we have discussed regarding the Docker installation here in this video. Let me quickly try to open the Docker. So I have already installed the Docker, and I'm just quickly trying to run the Docker and get the n8n on it. Let us try to add the new container, and this particular container here is like n8n based container. Let me try to pull the container instead of running it. So I just want the container on my system itself, so I'm just trying to pull it. And also through the terminal you can do this. We'll be seeing that in the next part of the video. Why? Because whenever you want to automate the things, right, you just need to make use of the commands instead of the UI interfaces. So that will be helpful when you want to automate the entire flow. So now here we got the n8n container. Let's try to run this. So here I'm going to provide the host port like 3031, and let's try to run on this particular port, and also the name I'm going to provide like n8n and try to run this. And here you can find the port number which we have specified 3031 5678. Let's try to open the n8n workflow now. So this is the page where you need to provide your details and get started. So here I have provided my primary details and went to the next step here. What best describes your company? So let's try to provide even these particular details. So I think you can provide these details, and let's try to move ahead. This is our dashboard now, and let's try to quickly create a workflow and add the first step. And the first step which I would like to add here is the chat trigger. And let's go back to the canvas, and this is our first step. We need to provide some input. So the next thing is we need to add the AI agent. So here we do have the first option like AI agent. Let's try to add this, and yes, back to canvas again. And here we do have like chart model. Let's try to add a chart model, and we have already having Ollama up and running on our system. And here in this video I have quickly explained you what is Ollama and how to set up a local model, so you can just refer it. And here you can see the model 3.2 is already been here, and this is what we have installed. Generally you will face an issue. Don't skip this part of the video, because your n8n is running on the Docker and your Ollama is running on your local machine. Then you would be facing an issue. To fix this particular issue, see here, you need to add this particular URL host.docker.internal, and in this way you can make your Ollama model reach Docker hosted n8n. And here you can see the connection tested successfully. if you provide localhost here and try to provide 11434 as a port number, then surely it will fail. So this is an important step where most of the people might face an issue. So here now we have got the trigger AI agent Ollama chat model. Let's try to make use of it. So here I've just sent a chat trigger like hi, let's try to see what the reply will get. And this particular chat trigger message is sent to the AI agent and from there to the Ollama, and here you can see we are about to get the reply. So here we got the output like hello, is there something? Fine. So now our model is working fine. It is connected to the AI agent and now we are able to automate this particular workflow. This is not it. We can even add a memory here. So we can add a simple memory which is available here, and this is for beginners. So what this simple memory does, so generally the things go in a conversation, right? You ask a question, it provide an answer. Again, you ask a question. So this should be in a context. So this particular context is made till the last 5 messages, and even you can increase this like any number. And let's try to use the tool as well here. We need to have the tool like think. So here I'm adding the think tool now, and let's go back to the canvas and adjust the things. And again, let's try to run the hi here, and this time you can see the AI agent is running through the Ollama chart model, and also simple memory, the things are getting stored now. So here why we added is whenever you add some logical things which require an additional effort, this particular think module will process it and try to provide it to the chat model so that it will provide the required information. And here you can see think was success in 12 milliseconds. So we have just provided a simple hi message, require any logical things. So you can see the simple memory, it got stored and is also been done, and the Ollama chart model itself taking some time. And let's try to see how it provides the message. Again, it's the same message it provides to us. And here we have got the output now. Again, it's sent I am happy to chat with you, is there something else? So here you can see everything, every component is been working in this particular automation flow. And in the next video, let's try to do some more automation. And till then, I suggest you to watch all the tutorials in this particular series and stay subscribed for more interesting content coming up.